Hello everyone, this is Ruby from Gramble. Today I will introduce the W series from our ultrasonic cleaners to you. Differences from S series. This type we add the wave variable function. So what is the wave variable? It is by 4.5 wave to operate alternately the vibration back and forth, so it produces the differentiation, just like cleaning by hand. So the items are cleaned more thoroughly. And now let's look at the control panel. The heater, degas switch, timer switch, and the semi-wave switch. For heater, you can adjust 120 to 80 degree, and the timer you can adjust 1 to 30 minutes. And we offer a variety of capacities from 1 to 30 liters, and you can choose whichever you need. And when the capacity above 6 liters, it will be provided the drain valve, drain pipe for convenience, and a cooling fan in the bottom to extend the service life. But don't worry about the small size. All of our products are provided the cooling outlet to extend the service life. And above the outlets is the hands for easy remove. Our foot are used the rubber foot to protect the machine and lower down the noise while moving. Now look at the back side. You can see there is a plug port and a safe switch. The double safety switch design makes it safer and more secure. Also, our power cable are adopted the industrial level standard, and the material was heat and soft resistant. Now let me show you the inner part. The basket, our basket and the tank are used the SUS 304 stainless steel, and it is food grade, as you all know. By the way, our inner tank was thickened and open mode stamping, no welding, you can see. So after using it, it's very easy to clean itself. At last, the maintenance. After you received our products, the maintenance is also important. First, keep the machine clean and cut off the power when you don't use it. Second, keep away from the heat source and avoid to storing in a humid environment. At last, do dust and moisture protection. And that is all the tips of our W series. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us anytime. Thank you.